everyone, this is Bindu Vaishnavi. Welcome back to our YouTube channel CSB Sweet. So I hope you have already seen what we are going to discuss. Yes, we are going to discuss about journals. So I really wanted to talk about these journals way back, but before I talk and before I tell you to do this and that, I should make it as a routine. So that's why I waited so far. I've been doing journals since last 1 year. I started doing journals right from December, last year December, and by this December it's been 1 year and I've completed these many journals. So I'll tell you the step-by-step process how to fall in love with journaling and how. So initially, my journal was this one. It was like a to-do list, like what all things I have to do in that day, because I wanted to make a habit of reading Bhagavad Gita every day and doing meditation every day and doing exercise every day. And there were certain set of practices in my artwork which I have to make a routine of that so that I could get able to master that skill. So I used to do all these things every day. So to maintain that track, I started writing this journal. So what happens when you write a journal, especially in initial stage, is like to maintain the consistency. What happens initially, you may write it for 7 days. At 8th day, even if you feel like no, I don't want to do that, once you open your journal and see the last 7 days, ultimately what will happen, like okay, I've came this far, why don't I just go and do another one day. So in that way, another one day, you're gonna complete like 1 year, because I was also that lazy, and right now I'm just doing this many things, so it will be happen for you as well. So I'm going to guide you a step-by-step procedure like how to fall in love with this. So yeah, so what you have to do is like, firstly, start writing the to-do list. Okay, it might be a small notebooks. You don't have to buy any sort of journal, or you don't have to waste any money. So most importantly, what we do is like, when we want to add any sort of habit in our life, we'll think like, okay, now I have to buy this and that. Once I buy that one, once it comes home, then I can start writing journal. You don't have to do that. Just try to make a habit of that. Once you try to make a habit, then ultimately you can buy whatever you want. If there are few people like, once you have that specific notebook or then like that, then for them interest comes on. So if that's the case, go ahead. We just need to focus on the process of falling in love with journaling. So initially I started a to-do list, like what I have to do and all. Then I have added this one-line journal. Like you just need to write like only one happy moment happened at that specific day. I got to know about this from influencers called Abhi and You, because my sister is a big follower of them. So through that I got to learn about that. Then I started writing like what one good happiest moment I had that specific day. In that way I started writing paras and paras, like what happened that day and this and that, Then I started buying journals where I could able to track my lunch, track my water, and I even track my expenses. Then I started even adding expenses, like about what expenses I did at that specific day. So what happened, like ultimately at the end of the month, after seeing all these expenses, I used to track down like what are the unnecessary things which I did this time and what are the ways I could save money. This is very useful as a financial tip. So in that way the journaling process started, and that way it all went. And now I'm doing morning pages. I'll tell you, morning pages, it's really good. It will be like really fun. Most of the people capture pictures like what happened that specific day. Journaling is also something like that. You try to write down all those memories, what happened that day in that journal, and once when you go back and check out like, oh, this day this happened and that happened, it's really beautiful memory, especially the morning pages. What is it like, I started reading this book called Artist Way of Living. So in that, author suggested like you have to write 3 pages of journal every morning. That is called as morning pages. you don't have to worry about any specific topic. Just write random about random thing. Like even if you don't find any topic, write the living portrait, like whatever happening around you. Like for example, when I write my journal right after my workout, my sister get ready for her college, and my mother start cooking, and my father get ready for the workouts and all. So I try to write all those things. Try to fill the 3 pages initially, and later on you'll find multiple of things. Or there may be sometimes you might feel some stressed out about some work and all. When you write about that all these things in your journal, what happens is like you'll get less stressed about that specific job, or you'll find a way to overcome that problem. Or there will be multiple things. You just need to fall in love with that specific thing. Never think about the result first of all. So that's how the journaling process started, and I've completed more than 5 or 6 journals, and I'm very excited for the next step for next year. So it's just 3 days ahead for the new year. So I really wish to fall in love with this journaling and make this an habit, because once you understand about yourself, you'll find that specific people around you. You'll choose that specific people around you, and you'll be even more happier than right now. So to reduce your overthinking and to fall in love with yourself, do journaling and enjoy your day. So that was all about today. If you really like our video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is Bindu Vaishnavi. Fill your hearts with art.